Good morning and welcome to Motivational Manifestation Monday. I am your hostess, Cheryl C. Jones. So today I have a quick topic I wanted to kind of run by you. So in Success Principles, there's one of these concepts that he talks about. He talks about messes and incompletes, And the messes are the clutter in your house, or your work, or your office, or your car, or your garage, or your yard. And those messes are things that are consuming energy from us. We just don't even realize it. The incompletes are the things like tax returns, or because it's getting to be that time, right? Phone calls that we haven't returned, projects that we started but haven't completed. And those incompletes are also draining our energy. Both of these messes and incompletes are draining our energy and taking our attention away from the things that we want. However, if we clear them, if we clean them up, then we are releasing a lot of energy and attention that could be put on the things that we want to create in life.